Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you mark all of your emails unread in Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to mark all of your emails as unread anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably share your email in different places like your computer and your phone, and sometimes they accidentally get marked as read. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook email. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already logged into my Microsoft Outlook email, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and mark all of your emails as unread, first click on your inbox. Once you do that, you're going to see your emails right here, and you want to click on this little square button right here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see these boxes pop up here on the left, and you can which emails you want to mark as unread. So for example, this one and this one. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click this button, mark as unread. Now, if you want to mark all of them as unread, just click on this top box right here, and you can see all of the boxes end up with a check mark, and you'll just do the same thing, mark as unread. Okay, so now if we remove these checks, you can see all of my emails are marked as unread. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to mark your emails in Microsoft Outlook as unread, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.